Davao City is popularly known as the most livable city in the Philippines. It ranks 7th to be the safest city to live in the world. That would not be made possible without the governance of the then Mayor Rodrigo Duterte, the current president of the Philippines. Known to be tough, who has an iron fist style of leadership, liquors are only allowed from 8 a.m. until 12 midnight. After that, you should be at your own home. I grew up here. I've lived here for more than 40 years, although 7 of those were spent in Cebu.
Here it is. Here's our room. Cebu and Davao journey.
But there's no place like home. If Cebu has its own distinct culture, which can be seen in their food, like the Balbacua and the Bulalo, Davao has its own too. Before in 2005, this kind of food didn't exist. It was not until Chong, the creator and the owner, introduced to the culinary world. The food is kind of a mix Balbacua and Bulalo, kare-kare if you allow. Though this one is not made of beef, but made of carabao, the bull meat. Tried this the first time some years ago, and now let's try again how it has been after for more than a decade. So here it is now, the Bulcachong, same as ever, same ambience, same appearance and demeanor of the service crew, same likable waiters, same kind of people coming.
And also the kitchen.
A regular table menu. Some sober, some probably drunk, because it has really been known as a cure for hangover, or even an alcoholic neutralizer. Many of those people who drink, some are drunk, others had much too alcohol to consume. This is the right place.
Soup's a little bit bland, but the meat is chewy, meaty, tasty. Meat is tender, but the part of the meat, the vein area, veins, not tender. The lab is bad.
I met Renren, one of the waiters, but too bad the camera wasn't able to record the interview, simply because I forgot to push the record button. My bad. But he told me a brief history of the eatery. He said it began in 2005. The ingredients, he said, still the same as it was 13 years ago. The atsuete, ginger, green onions, the lemongrass. But I asked him the most inappropriate question, what is the secret ingredient? He said, only Chong, the inventor and the owner, only knows. No one else.
Dahil lang, ma'am. And also the kitchen. Amon is yung panbay. This is where you cook the bulcachong. Dili nyo ginaluto? Tapos ginabali lang dire. Ang owner ang nagaluto. Ang tagiya gud, ang tagiya nagaluto.
Ay, kusinero sa ako.
Kabalo ang kusinero sa Ricardo's.
Ha?
Nakabalo siya.
Eh, wala ang timpla na nakasilupi naman dito na. Ang tagiyan na ang nag-timpla.
Siya lang nakabalo sa ingredient. Thank you, ma'am. Bayad na ko. There's a no smoking warning. And of course, even outside is not also allowed. Public place. So, what's the purpose of this warning?